We could have a team, a very small team, of highly skilled geeks who really like AI. And AI is controversial, I realize, and I certainly don't want to just create stuff with AI. A lot of it's kind of junk and crap. You see more and more videos that are kind of useless, and they have a fake voice. They can't pronounce things correctly. And it doesn't give any real human value. So you got to wonder, like, why would I want an AI team then? Well, it would be to support other types of creation. For example, AI could write songs for musicians, and then the musicians can go in and tweak those and improve them. You could have AI as part of the art team to support artists, where they bring in their doodle, their vision, and then we use AI to clean that up and make variations of it. And I looked up a list the other day of all the AI tools out there now, and there's a ton of them. We could also even have tools that you have to pay for and subscribe to, but this team would be constantly working with other types of creators. And, we could use it to write articles, to start articles and then improve them. Because, I talked to one guy, nice guy, but he wrote an entire article about something he knows nothing about based on AI. That's not good enough. We would be working with experts in different creative areas, and the AI would supplement that process. So we're using AI as a tool, not as something to replace humans, because our view is still very, very valuable, and that's where our personal value is most useful. I want to create an entire AI bot of myself using all the videos I've ever made, because I got long rambling videos and I've written tons of stuff. And so I'd actually like to make an entire virtual me. And we could even make a company. We would work with the geeks to do this. We could even make a company that is in the business of making AI out of people who want to, of course, and we might host it. But they would own rights. They would retain rights to their own image. Because right now there's people out there who get paid like $1,500 to sell their image, and then the company gets to use it. And sometimes the person aids in future creation using their character, but I don't like that very much. They've sold their identity. I certainly don't want to sell my identity, and I'd want to create an amazing bot of me that really is better than me, because I'm very aware of my own mortality, and I'd like to live on in the virtual world and continue to serve. And that bot would be smarter than me, more organized than me, and more useful than me, more interactive. That'd be really cool. You can add in the comments any thoughts you have about that and other ways we could use AI. It's developing so quickly that those people would have to be on top of what tools are developing and how we can fit them into our needs, which are many. Take a special kind of geek, but it'd be really fun. I love playing with AI.